The no signal. Please check your input message on your Sceptre monitor means it's powered on but not receiving a video signal from your device. This is actually a common issue with simple solutions. The most common cause is cable connection issues. Let's examine the different types of cables and connections you might be using. First troubleshooting step. Check all cable connections. Ensure cables are firmly connected to both your monitor and computer. Look for any visible damage like bent pins or wear. Step 2. Try using alternative cables. If you have spare HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables available, test them to rule out a faulty cable as the cause. Step 3. Check your input source selection. Use your monitor's input or source button to cycle through all available inputs like HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA. Make sure your computer is outputting to the correct port. Final step. If you're using a PC and still having issues, try booting into safe mode. This bypasses potential driver conflicts that might be preventing proper signal output. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of no-signal problems with Sceptre monitors. Most issues stem from simple connection problems rather than complex hardware failures. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions are needed. The first critical step is updating your graphics drivers to the latest versions. AMD users should download the latest Radeon software from AMD's website. The installer provides full driver packages with automatic detection of your graphics card model. NVIDIA users can use the GeForce Experience app or download drivers directly from NVIDIA's website. Select your exact graphics card model for optimal compatibility. Intel integrated graphics users should download drivers from Intel's support website. Always restart your computer after driver installation to ensure proper functionality. Use Windows Display Quality Troubleshooter to automatically detect and fix common display issues. This tool can resolve clear type settings and optimize display configurations. For 4K monitors and high refresh rates, cable quality becomes critical. Different HDMI and DisplayPort versions support different capabilities. HDMI 2.0 or higher is required for 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Gaming monitors may need HDMI 2.1 for 4K at 120 Hz with HDR support. DisplayPort generally offers better performance for high-resolution displays. Now let's cover prevention strategies to avoid future signal issues. Invest in high-quality certified cables with proper shielding and gold-plated connectors. Cheap cables are often the root cause of signal problems. Regular maintenance includes checking cable connections, cleaning dust from ports, and keeping your system updated with the latest drivers and firmware. Remember, 60% of no-signal problems are cable-related. A quality cable is a worthwhile investment that can prevent most connectivity issues. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will resolve most persistent signal issues and keep your Sceptre monitor working reliably.